Hi there, this is Crystal, and today I'm sharing a peek at the new My Thankful 30 2019 kit from Feed Your Craft. I'm so excited about this kit and this project. It's one of my favorite projects every year. I love participating, and this kit is gorgeous. You're gonna love it. So let's dive in and take a look. So the kit comes with a set of alphas, a stamp set, some journal cards, a few tags, and some die cuts as well. Let's take a look at the journal cards first. So if you're not familiar with this project, it is a gratitude project that happens in November. There is usually a prompt list that Elise posts that gives you some idea of what you can choose each day. And then you can pair photos with journaling. There are journaling cards, enough here to last for the entire month, for the entire 30 days, in these gorgeous fall colors. As you can see, they're all the same, just in different colors. They're absolutely beautiful. So what I usually do is pair one journal card with a photo for each day in a little mini album, and that is my Thankful 30 for the year. So there are enough journal cards here for the entire month, and I like to mix up the colors and spread them out throughout the month. You also get some 4x6 journal cards, also in this gorgeous color palette. I really love the colors this year. So there's this one with the fall leaves, this gorgeous yellow pattern, a quote from Maya Angelou, and then these kind of paint splatter images on this one. So those are the cards in the kit. Let's take a look at the die cuts next. So the die cuts in this kit are vellum, and they are absolutely gorgeous, again in that same beautiful color palette. So you get a couple words. There's grateful and thankful, gathered together, filled with love, and season of gratitude. And then you get this gorgeous array of foliage and flowers to mix in. Again, all of these are vellum. So if I can pick one up here, there, you can see how they can layer over the top of the cards and you can still see through them. They're going to be so much fun to play with. I think they are absolutely gorgeous. So I'm so excited to start working with these. Next, let's take a closer look at the stamp. So as always, the stamp is full of sentiments that will work well throughout the month. Things like little moments, big thanks, gathered together, pause and reflect, so very thankful, finding the good in today, loving this, giving thanks, thankful today, snippets of life, here and now, a time for thanks. And then of course, there is a November stamp and numbers so that you can date each of your cards in each day of the month. And then you get some gorgeous leaves rather, some fall leaves that you can stamp to match the die cuts. You can create your own die cuts with these, and then some other little icons. This is a great stamp for this project. It's perfect for documenting any kind of gratitude or any kind of November family gathering as well. I think it would be perfect for that. It's a gorgeous stamp. I can't wait to play with it. Then there are also some tags. You get 3 of these tags to add into our albums, and then finally an alpha. So this is another one of the puffy tile alphas. I love these alphas. I've used several of them in different colors. This one is a gorgeous navy blue that coordinates with the kit perfectly. It'll be perfect for adding small titles to the mini album that I create. So that is the My Thankful 30 kit for 2019. If you have any questions about this project or how you might use this kit, feel free to leave them below in the comments and I will be sure to get back to you. There is also additional information on Elise's Feed Your Craft blog if you're curious to see projects that she's done in the past and to read more about her prompts for this year. As always, I'll link everything that releases today in the description box below so you can go pick it up for yourself if you'd like to. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you back here very soon.